Hello my Capricorns, let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of August 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vivra to Live family. If you belong to my cusp signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my Zodiac babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 30th. Shall we begin? Angels and spirit guides. First 10 days, please. There we have. You've got good cards. We begin with success, stress, miser and courage. So partnerships will bring in success. Okay, if you've been waiting for someone, then yes, you are going to get engaged, or you will have a proposal or a collaboration. Wherever you go, success is coming. Okay, in case if you are facing a rough and a patchy phase, remember, you can still come out of it. Don't give up on yourself. When it comes to work, darlings, you need to put in your boundaries. You cannot say, okay, I will manage it, I can go beyond that. No, if you cannot go beyond this, then cut it off. I think you're being stubborn. You've created a wall. Why? Because in stress, you could have done that, or you've had past experiences because of which you have decided that, okay, fine, I cannot go beyond that, and I think I know my job, don't try to teach me. But this is what universe is trying to say, that darlings, you need to be flexible in the first 10 days. Only then you will see the results, and you don't have to take everybody's stress. Let go. Everything will be fine. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. We begin with beyond illusion, the outsider, nothingness, schizophrenia, celebration. If you let go of the unwanted confusion, if you stick to the reality, you will have fun. Maybe you are confused where finance is concerned. Maybe it could be a possibility that in the mid 10 days, you will have a lot of unwanted expenses coming up. So you need to save on the money, and remember, you only can help yourself. Literally, nothing is working, I am jobless. No, there are ways. You have your friends who are there to help you. Maybe you're over confused and you're trying to find a balance. For a few, there is somebody from your friend circle who really wants to take things ahead with you. Like a marriage, like a proposal coming in. There could be a possibility. We'll check with the love energies, but this is what it's trying to say. And stick to the reality. It's okay. Your brain is created unwanted confusion. Talk to a spiritual guru or a mentor. Connect with your higher self through breathing techniques or meditation, chanting mantras. You will be in a happy and a better space. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 30th. We have friendliness, totality, turning in, and traveling. If you travel, success comes to you. Communications are going to play a very important role. I think there is something related to relationship again, which is coming up. There is somebody who wants to take things ahead with you, but because of your past experiences, I think you are trying to find a balance. You're conflicted, and you're listening to people around you. They are your well-wishers, no doubt about it, but you need to listen to yourself. Only you can help yourself. Stop crying over spilled milk if it has been on a relationship. Maybe you're not giving ample amount of time on your personal life, but you're getting more focused on your professional life. So try to find a balance is what it's trying to say. Now let's come to your angels. Let's see what is it that they wish to guide you. Okay. Oh, beautiful. We have creative projects. So anything related to creativity will bring in a lot of money. Enroll in some creative class, you will get to know new people. Money flow is coming in. So focus on that. Music therapy, dance therapy, anything. Cooking, DIY, mandalas, whatever you like, please enroll yourself. Now let's come to your love life. Okay, let's see what's coming up for you. No. We have heartbroken, kisses, and coffee cup. So go out. Interesting conversations will lead you to gaining clarity. If you're heartbroken, darling, heal yourself, mourn, cry. Maybe that will help you and start loving yourself. There is somebody who wants to confess, and I think even you will fall in love eventually. So whatever is happening for your betterment. Now let's ask universe anything specific coming up for you. Main female. So if you can see, she is carrying a rose, right? So positive news is coming up. This lady will play an important role. Could be anybody, your mother, your sibling, a friend, it could be anybody. This lady will bring in positive shifts in your life. Okay, so how should I sum up this one? Oh my, you have a good month, but how do I say, go with the flow. Listen to your higher self and go with the flow. Why? Because when you listen to your higher self, you will start getting those positive intuitions through which you can follow the lead. Success, money flow, spiritual happiness, emotional happiness will come to you. And once you keep going with the flow, you will reach your destination. Your angels are saying work on your creative side. That will help you in minting money and will keep you calm from within. At the matters of heart, first heal yourself, cry your heart out. Okay, whatever changes are coming in, go out on dates. There is somebody you might end up meeting up as well, and a special lady you will have an encounter with in this month, who will play a very important role and will bring in positive news. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.